How to install Trust Wallet on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here, click on Play Store app. After click on Play Store app, click on Search and click on Keypad. After click on Keypad and enter, type Trust Wallet. Click on Trust Wallet and you will see Trust Wallet is here. So if you want to install Trust Wallet, click on Install. After click on Install, you will see Trust Wallet is installed according to your internet connection. You will see Trust Wallet is installed 21%. After the process, you will see your app is showing on your screen, app screen. And if you want to use, click on app and open, you will use. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can install Trust Wallet app on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.